Okay, so everything starts with a design, and all this is just the telescope mount, telescope base mount. There's the telescope base over there, and it's ready to install these guys here. I found a nice spot on the side, one on this side, one on this side over here. It kind of has to fit between these little screws here. I can drill through this stuff with a standard drill, but it does need to be countersunk so it can stick out. Okay, so just crack this thing, putting a screw in here, and which means I should have drilled this out before sticking a screw in here, so I might have to put this in a... No, I don't know if I can fix this or not. I might have to glue it. And if it doesn't glue, I'm going to have to, well, go through all that work and making another one. Okay, I should have done that before. Okay. And then one screw down inside here. Okay. Alright. Okay, so when was the last time you tapped out some PLA? It's a tap, by the way. It's a 7/16. It takes a 3/8 hole, which is what we have here. Now, you can't really print. I mean, you could probably print threads, but they're just never going to come out. It's not so this is they're never going to come out fine enough for you to call it a thread. But what you can do is you can tap it. You can create the hole that you're going to tap, and then tap the thread. Okay, so this process takes about 20 in and outs, and I'm not gonna put you through that. Okay, so those are the bolts that will hold us in. It's tap very nicely, and it should be about 1 1/4 inches from there to there. So I'll be able to tighten that down. Alright, and then this is finished. The only thing I have to do is drill a 3/8 inch hole right about there, but I kind of have to measure that. Alright, well, there she is, all gussied up and ready for the prom. We'll be able to rotate this for a while. It's not going to rotate easily, but it does rotate. I mean, just loosen these bolts up and they'll rotate like crazy. 336 of them, and the reason they're not installed yet is because there's nowhere for this stem to go. This is Dr. Bob, saving your ass and mine from space aliens, monsters. Thanks for watching my program.
If you like my videos, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.